Hey, good morning, folks. This is Jabril for the SPX Ninja. Today is Wednesday, May the 9th, and we are taking a look at the S&P 500 futures. What you'll notice is this triangle that's been going on for 3 months now has been contracting as it should. And on Thursday of last week, we had this very powerful bar that touched the bottom of the triangle, also bounced off the 200 EMA, and has had good follow through. So this was a very important bar for me, and the follow through has been really good. Also, you'll notice that the follow through has put the price back above the 18 EMA, which is something I track closely. I like to see the prices above it to go long. Actually did go long a little bit early on this one, but it's paid off pretty well. As the first target that I had after this bounce was 26.81. It bounced exactly there. I took half off, and then yesterday after this move bounce off the 18 EMA, I am back in the full position, and I'm looking for a break of this top side of the triangle. And also coincidentally, when I drew the line from the previous 2681 top, 2681.50 top actually, if I go through the past in this triangle, and you'll see it better on the 4 hourly chart, actually, hourly chart. When you go through this line has seemed to be pretty important. Like when we broke down initially, it came up to this line, kind of overshot it, then got rejected, then came back down. Then we went up and we actually broke through it, and we tested it, went above, came down, tested it. So basically the line was supporting at this point. Then we finally broke under it, and then we've been trying to test it from underneath and getting rejected. We did break above it for a short time in April, and then came down, and then you can see it's just been rejecting the price since then. So it's nice to see that this area has two important resistance levels, and so therefore a break above this would be even more meaningful if it happens. If it does not, then again, we'll have to look at other bearish scenarios. But the way that the market is looking right now, and I'm going to turn on an Elliott wave count that I also have here. So this is what I'm thinking at the moment. We're gonna have, we had already 1, 2, 3. Yesterday should have been the end of 4. Doesn't have to be. It's possible to have another pullback, but it's looking like it might have been. And today we are above on the 4 hourly chart. You can see we are actually above the triangle here, but we are struggling with the 2681 resistance. Once we break above this, we can be certain that we are in a wave 5, and that should run to this higher resistance level, which now is coming in at 2712-ish, 2711-ish area. And if I measure the waves actually from 2653 low yesterday, it should be around that 2710 level. So there is important, I was thinking 2720, but there is some important resistance at 2710, 2711, 2712, that area. So today I'm expecting that we break above this 2781 level and we go test 2710. If we get rejected, we should find support here at 2652 area, 2653, and then another run. Once this is complete, this will actually just be a wave 1, and I'll show that as well. Even though this one doesn't. Oh, hold on. Yeah. So this is going to be the wave 1 of a early bull advance, and there's going to be a 2, then a 3 up here. So we're going to have 4 or 5 like that. My target for the end of wave 5 is somewhere above 3200 at this point. This target, I can't make it permanent until I see how wave 1 actually plays out. If it's extended, we could have a longer move. Sorry, the video is getting a little bit long, but I wanted to cover these kind of important things that I'm thinking of right now. So again, in summary, we look to break above the triangle. We're actually above the triangle right now. We want to get above this 2681 level as well, and then look to get to 2712 on this first wave. I'll put it down here. It's possible that it can extend longer, and we'll see if it's doing that. But right now, that is my target, 2712. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.